Hi, today we are talking about the topic in share market. Some shares are giving for the in 1 year for the in more than 2000% returns is giving. That shares are we are talking for in this video. That share is the in rather developers share is the in 1 year for that share price is that returns is giving for the 2040% is giving for the in 1 year 1 year returns. That before 1 year before that share price is the 9 rupees. You are just investing in the 9 rupees into 9,000 rupees. It becomes for the purchasing for the 1,000 shares. It becomes the 9 rupees into calculating for the 1,000 shares. It becomes the investment for the 9,000 rupees. 9,000 rupees in 1 year before that investment. Now that present share price is the 210 rupees. 210 rupees. If you have to calculate for the 1,000 shares, it becomes for the 2,10,000 rupees. How much of returns is giving for in 1 year return? You have to imagine. Just investing the 9,000 rupees because you are investing the 9,000 rupees in outside expenses. So many of us in 1 year for your expenses are more. It becomes 22 just in low class life is you are leading and just you are leading for the low class life. It becomes for the 80 to 90,000 rupees definitely and your expenses happening. So you are just investing the 9,000 rupees and it becomes for the bulk of returns become for the 2,10,000 rupees in 1 year after. So it becomes and some people are going to went for work in 15,000 rupees to salary 15,000 rupees salaries for work. They are work for 9 to 10 hours work for in every day. That 15,000 rupees it becomes for the 9 months salary. In fact, comes in for the salary. They had losses and expenses are all in expenses are all in end. It becomes in end. It saves for amount is in saving amount is just 5 to 7,000 rupees. Just in month you are saving the you are saving for the in 5 to 7,000 rupees in 1 year. For that you are saving amount is the 70 to 50 to 70,000 rupees. You are just saving you are investing in the entire your work in entire year. You are just making for the 70 to 80,000 rupees in going for the 15,000 rupees salaries. Some people are going. So you have to invest in the just small proportion of money in the share market. You have to getting for the bulk of returns. So that's why small proportion of investment investment in the share market is giving for the bulk of returns for in this stock. Because today's to living for the 15,000 rupees salaries to living for the life is to because too difficult, because you have to live for the standard of living minimum standard of living to living for that 15,000 rupees salary is not enough. Because so create for another way of income in the share market, create passive income in the share market, and here to make money in the and to people to manage that people to manage that family it's too difficult because that the expenses are more, commitments are more. So that's why this one way of income 15,000 rupees salary is not enough. So that's why create income in the share market and investment just invest in the small proportion of money in the share market and make use profits, make use bulk of returns in the bulk of returns and fixed deposit fixed returns in the in share market. In just 1 year you are holding the stocks in 1 year giving for the bulk of returns. You are just involving the 1 year returns to giving for the bulk of returns in the share market. But you have to knowledge because we have to research. Research is important because that organization that share market night business organization always performing what is the demand in the what is demand in the public and future what is the future demand in the what is the future demand and how to analyze for everything and how is it performing the organization. How to analyze for everything because you are investing the money because to making money earning of money is too difficult. That's why don't lose money. So that's why research and analyze for everything. What is the future? What is the future of that share is performing? What is the business is to demand or not? What is the demand product or the demand or not? Analyze for everything and invest money because don't lose money. So first learn the share market, learn the share market and do research the share market and then invest. Otherwise don't invest without research, without learning of the share market. don't invest because losing because don't lose money. So that's why. And another one share is also giving for the in 1 year for the 940% returns is giving for that share. That share is the Atom Investment. Atom Investment the business sector is the capital markets. Capital markets this business. This share is then 1 year before that share price is the 13 rupees. 13 rupees you have to purchasing for the 1000 shares. It becomes for the 1 lakh. Now present share price is the 163 rupees. 163 rupees you have to calculate for the 1000 shares. It becomes for the investment. It becomes for the now it becomes the and bulk of returns before the 1,63,000 rupees is giving with that in 1 year after that return. So in just a small proportion, 13,000 rupees we are investing in that in Atom Investments in 1 year before, and now the present share price is the 1,63 rupees. So it becomes for the 1,63,000 rupees. You have to bulk of returns is bulk of returns is for the 1,63,000 rupees. So invest in the smart, just invest in the smart portion of money and holding the shares in long time. I mean, get bulk of returns, So that's why. So that's it. And in front of videos or in front of and to learn the share market and the investment money. So many people today's billionaires, they have there's asset, there's money and there's money and there's assets are 30% of money. 30% of money is there in making for 30 to 40% of money is making for in the share market. So every rich person like Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett is full of work is in the share market, and so many and Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos and Mark Zuckerberg. So many persons are making money in the share market in today's rich person. So that's why this is the successful method. So that's why government also approving this method. They approving for the share market. That government also giving for the permission for the share market, and this is for the this is also government giving for the permission for the share market. This is a successful method to run for the economy, to build for the nation economy. So that's why. So that's it. So that's why government is giving for the permission. And in front of videos are coming for the videos are coming. More return stocks are giving more stocks are giving returns. That stocks are coming for in this channel, and do subscribe for this channel, and thank you for watching this video.